Mr. Prakash Ambedkar.
Sir, there's too much of noise.
Mr. Vijay Goyal, the ministry there to reply what you
Sir, that's why meeting.
I call Mr.
Sir, I'm thankful.
Yes, सबको
I'm
बुलाएंगे
raising
आप चेयर को कॉपरेट नहीं बहुत हम बुलाएंगे नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम सबको
that is regarding the hoisting of the flag. Sir,
हमारा बस नोटिस है सर
गंभीर मामला हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग में
हमारा प्रकाश को बुलाया ना आपने
सर हमें टाइम दिया जाएगा
सबको देंगे
sir, in the year 1979,
adjournment motion like
there was one agreement between Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and then the RSS, in which it was clearly stated that on the 26th of January 1950, when all political prisoners were to be released, the RSS will hoist a national flag at the Nagpur headquarters. Sir, time and again, there has been agitations from various quarters. I will not go into the past history, but the year before last, an all-party meeting took place at Nagpur, in which a decision was taken that if the RSS does not hoist a flag at their national headquarters, all party workers will go and hoist a flag at the Nagpur headquarters of RSS. Sir, yesterday, sir, last year,
Honorable Speaker,
I have already given an adjournment motion for it. I have already given an adjournment motion.
Speaker has given permission.
Sir,
He has given permission.
sir, पिछले साल भी, सर पिछले साल जब सब पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता
ये already given permission by the Speaker.
नेशनल फ्लैग होइस्ट करने गए थे,
Please,
तो उनका लाठीचार्ज हुआ, 10-15 लोग वहां पे घायल हो गए
please,
और 15 दिन के लिए
Mr.
उनको हॉस्पिटल में रखा गया था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी उन्होंने नेशनल फ्लैग होइस्ट नहीं किया। इस साल भी जब कार्यकर्ताओं ने कोशिश की, कि नेशनल फ्लैग आरएसएस के नागपुर हेडक्वार्टर्स पर लगा जाए, तो आज भी इसका प्रयोग किया गया है। अब मैं सरकार से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वो अपना बयान दे कि जो आरएसएस के सरकार की पार्टनर है, सरकार में शामिल है, क्या वो नेशनल फ्लैग को मानती है या नहीं मानती है? क्या वो इस देश में कुछ लोग ये सवाल इसका सवाल का है, मानिए, क्योंकि देश के बंदरान सब इस होम मिनिस्टर है, मुझे बड़ा खुशी है कि जिन्होंने और आरएसएस हमारा नेशनल फ्लैग को मानती नहीं है। मैं पूछना चाहूंगा, जानना चाहूंगा कि क्या ये सड़क जिस संगठन को नेशनल फ्लैग मानती नहीं है, क्या उसका अंतर यहाँ पे रखना चाहेंगे? Please, Mr. Goyal. Mr. Goyal. Now. Sir, क्या नहीं होगी? क्या नहीं होगी?
Ramdas, I have given the floor to you.
Sir,
You come to the front, Mr. Prakash.
sir,
In brief, you were given floor by the honorable speaker. Please. In brief. I have given the floor to Ramdas. You will not be getting chance. If you just like this. Nothing will go on record.
sir, not me allowed to speak now, sir.
Nothing will go on record now.
Sir, the Honorable Minister Manoj Murli
Honorable Speaker has allowed him. You are not allowing him to speak. He has allowed.
You can notice. Sir, you have a reply.
All of you will see. All of you. It is not like this. Mr. Goyal, please. Please, Goyal. Mr. Pradhan.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा
No, no, wait, okay.
मैं तथ्य के साथ कह रहा हूँ
You allow it?
सर अगर ये लेना चाहते हैं तो 1949 का
See, there are as many as 28 minutes are there. All of you will get your chance, provided you don't interrupt. He has been already called by honorable speaker. He has. You are not allowing him to speak.
You don't know what comments. Sir, you should withdraw that part. Sir, you should withdraw that part. Sir, you should withdraw that part. Sir, you should
Will
withdraw
you
that part.
please allow him to speak? Please.
I'm not going to speak. I'm not going to withdraw that part. I'm not saying rubbish. Sir, you should withdraw that part. You should apologize to the house. That is not
Now, will you allow him to speak now?
Sir, it is my request to the chair that you want to use rubbish, you should withdraw. And you should apologize to the house. Sir, you should.
I told you nothing will come to pass.
Okay, I withdraw my word rubbish, but allow me to speak. I withdraw my word rubbish, but allow me to speak. As I give it to you.
Yes, now, answer.
But you cannot take it apart from the national flag and you cannot push it.
Rajiv Pratap.
Sir, what I am stating is not new. If those ministers
You will go on record.
and those members who are
You
not
will not go on
aware of it,
record except Mr. Prakash.
I would request them to refer to the Home Minister's document dated 26 November 1949, and there you will find that the agreement between the RSS and Sardar Bhai Patel, which states very clearly that the RSS will hoist the flag on the 26th of January 1950 at Nagpur headquarters, and from that day onwards, RSS has never hoisted the flag, attached the flag at the Nagpur headquarters. In fact,
Now, Prakash, Mr. Prakash Ambedkar,
till yesterday,
this is 0 hour Prakash.
in fact, even till
What
yesterday,
you want from the government?
even till yesterday,
It should be
the
addressed.
RSS goes on celebrating 14th August, which is the Independence Day of Pakistan.
Now,
If they want
Mr.
more information, I will just tell them that one of the MLAs from Maharashtra, Mr. Gosalia, has burnt his hand while lighting the fires of celebration of 14th August every year. Sir, this is a national importance. Sir,
What is the central government has to do? What is Mr.
sir,
Ambedkar?
yesterday also,
What is the central government has to do with this?
the party members, all party members, went to Nagpur RSS headquarters, hoisting flag, and they were prevented from hoisting the
Sir, it's a shame. That national flag. That should take a comment. Thank you, sir.